So if you've been watching my DIY series, thank you guys so much for being so supportive. I've hit 10,000 subscribers, actually a little more than that, and I'm so very thankful. I have been getting into candle making, and as you guys saw in the previous video, I made a wax melt of blueberries. So I'm gonna try to see how it works. So I started by melting down some wax, and I started with a deep brown to just give it a really deep blue color. So I added the blue to it. If I just used the blue by itself, it kind of looked more like a lighter blue. So I added that brown first to give it a really deep blueberry color. And as you can see, I kind of played around with the texture to figure out when it was time to pour. I added some blueberry scent, and you guys, the smell is amazing. You guys have to stay tuned to see all of the evolution of everything I've been creating. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I put it in this mold that I made at home, and they turned out great, right? Now stay tuned for the next video to see how I used them.